Welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. I hope all is well. The sun is popping here in Georgia. I'm telling you, my goodness. You see how bright it is. We're going to see, can we get through this video? Let me see, can I move the camera some more? Because it is popping in this kitchen. Well, listen, today we are talking about sweet potatoes. Do you like sweet potatoes? I'll be honest, I'm very intimidated, or I was very intimidated by sweet potatoes. I hear how great they are for you. The beta carotene, the orange color, which is another vitamin. This is one I had half of last night. So what I'm gonna do with this though, this is why I'm doing the video. I had half of it left. It was so good. I put a little butter and not even real butter. I can't believe it's not butter. I used a little bit of that. And I used a little bit of cinnamon, and it was so delicious. I only ate half of it because it was such a nice size. You can see how big they are. Jeffrey is not feeling the sweet potatoes right now. That's okay, we'll get him into it. So anyway, I wanted to tell you, don't throw anything away. We popped it in the microwave for about 7 minutes. Stick holes in it, rinse it off really good. I even ate some of the skin. Poke holes in it really good with your knife or something like that, and then put it in the microwave. You don't have to wrap it or anything, but clean it really good, because I might eat, like I said, I ate some of the skin. You may eat some of it too. And then whatever's left, we're gonna put it in the smoothie this morning. So once I make it, I'm gonna come back, because you've seen me make smoothies. I'm using my kale. Some of you may be new. I'm using my kale, my banana, and strawberries. I started keeping it really simple instead of adding all this extra stuff. So now every day, those are my 3 main ingredients. And again, I try not to throw anything away. So I'm gonna scoop this out and put it in the smoothie. And let's see what it tastes like. So I'll be back. I decided to go ahead and show you how I'm getting the sweet potato out, because I realized you may not know how to do it. So it's already soft. Again, we're just gonna scoop it out and put it in the smoothie. Okay, so we have sweet potato. And I do this sometimes if I have leftover broccoli, anything I have left over, because I can be very wasteful. All right, that's it. So we're gonna put that in there. Here we go. I can be very wasteful when it comes to food. And I'm really trying to stop that. So I realized, you know what? Girl, throw it in the smoothie. Because you ain't going to be able to taste it this way. So we're going to add our kale. This is a NutriBullet. I did a video on this, so go back and check it out if you have not. I love my NutriBullet, because it blends everything up so nicely. The kale is already triple washed. Some of you still may want to wash it. I don't, because I can tell you be on the lazy side. Not lazy, y'all, but I be working. Shoot, I'm multitasking. I'm living life like everybody else. Okay, now we're gonna put our strawberries in there, and we're gonna mix it up right quick. And I gotta hurry up, because we gotta take the cars to the shop this morning. I still had to show y'all this sweet potato in here though. But everybody do something different. Okay, so I'm gonna hit pause. I'll be back. I just make my smoothies with water. You may choose almond milk, coconut water, any other number of things you can put in there to get the liquid, okay? So what in here, we have sweet potato, banana, kale, strawberry, okay? I'm going to mix it up. I have my NutriBullet. Hold on 1 second. If you don't put that NutriBullet on the cap just right, it will not spin. Okay, so that's our pretty combination. So I'll go ahead and spin it up right quick. I think I got too much stuff in there, y'all. Sometimes sometimes if it won't spin, sometimes if your NutriBullet won't spin, you got to make sure that juice gets all the way down in there, because it's got to have something to catch on to. Okay. I can see the texture is changing. The texture of my smoothie has changed with that sweet potato. Let me show you. You can see it. It's a little thicker than it normally is. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. Still not spinning. It's too much strawberries probably. A little more water. Let me try. I'm kind of glad this happened, that it wouldn't spin, so you can see whatever NutriBullet or whatever blender you're using, if it's not working, it's probably because you have too much liquid and you don't want to burn out your motor. Alright, so let's do it one more time. This should get it, y'all. This should get it. Let me wipe it off. Alright. Alright, let's see one more time. Now that should get it, because you can see the liquid. All right, so we can see that that is good to go. So I'm gonna pour it in the glass. I'm gonna pour Jeffrey's in a cup because he has to go. Let's see if he'll tell us what it tastes like. Hold on, let me get a cup. A cup for him and a glass for me. You guys know I like pretty things when I am drinking, so that's mine. Now you can't see it in here. Actually, the texture is better since it's mixed up. Cup for Jeffrey. Jeff, I'm still filming. Come on, I want you to taste it for me on camera right quick. Let's see, can you taste it? So this is for Jeffrey. Okay, let's see if he'll taste it. Let me see. Can you taste it? And see, this is why I like smoothies, because you can hide anything in there. It tastes it tastes good. It tastes really good. So again, this morning we used strawberries, sweet potato, peas, banana, and kale. Okay. And again, don't throw anything away. If you have leftover broccoli from the night before, leftover cauliflower, you can put it in here and it will just take it on. Just like people cook with tofu and it takes on whatever flavor you put it in. That's why I like these smoothies. You can hide just about anything. So do not throw away your leftover veggies, okay? Hey guys, so I got Jeffrey here, my little guinea pig, to taste the new smoothie that I just made. Again, it had the kale, strawberry, sweet potato, and banana. Okay.
Hey everybody.
What you think, Jeffrey?
Yeah, hey everybody. So I didn't really taste any difference. I'm not sure how much sweet potato Kim put in
just
there.
Just a half of one.
So I don't know if I can taste anything. Maybe it's a little
sweeter.
Maybe a little bit, but I haven't. It's nothing like, oh, it's a major difference. So.
Yeah. It's not like, ooh.
Yeah.
So anyway, like I was saying, see you later, babe.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Like I was saying earlier, guys, don't throw out anything. You can throw your leftover cauliflower, broccoli, sweet peas, green beans, anything like you have just a little bit left over. It's already cooked and pliable or mushy, whatever word you want to insert, and it will make a nice smoothie or a nice addition. Get all the veggies and nutrients in your body you can. All right, I'm fighting this sun, y'all. But until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.